wondered if you want every time you shoot a bow in a target, you just want how can I even shoot it if there's like you don't even know? And this is just a replica. Every time you shoot, every time you ego it, it'll just do like this. First get arrows, your bow, then fireworks came up. Now we'll see that my past self will figure out how to do this with you. Hello. This is how you do it first. First you need a target, redstone, and some dispensers. That's about it. First, put the target like this, like that. Then, just put it like this. You must have the dispenser is aiming up. Then, just cover it up. Just cover it with wood you like. The redstone. If you don't put it there, it will not work. Then just get some fireworks. And that's it. Any fireworks you want, just put it in the dispenser and get your own bow and just shoot. See? This is how it works. You get the target. The rest is just well. Just like machines. That's how you do it. If you want to shoot more, consider subscribing. Thank you very much.